Miniature AI worker videos are exploding across social media right now. Some creators have built thousands of followers with only a handful of uploads, and many of their videos are already reaching millions of views. The surprising part is that these videos look like they took hours to produce. But with AI, you can create them in just a few minutes. Let me show you one I made myself. Pretty impressive, right? The tiny workers, realistic movements, and detailed animations make these videos extremely satisfying to watch. And the best part is, you can create them completely free. I'll show you the fastest method without wasting your time. First, open ChatGPT and paste the prompt I've provided. It will instantly generate 10 unique miniature video ideas for you. Browse the list, choose the one you like the most, and simply enter its number. ChatGPT will automatically generate a complete master prompt based on your selected idea, so there's no need to write anything yourself. Now copy that master prompt and open Google Flow. Select the video option. Choose the Omni Flash model. Adjust your preferred settings. Paste the prompt and click Generate. Within a few seconds, your AI miniature working assistant video will be ready. That's the entire workflow. Just pick a different idea each time, generate a new video, and you'll have an endless supply of unique AI miniature content. If you want more viral AI tutorials and hidden AI tools, subscribe now and don't miss the next trending AI niche.